Hello and welcome to this lecture. Today we are going to discuss muscarinic antagonist, and the drug in this classification are ipratropium and tiotropium, and how this receptor act. So the main thing is that it block the muscarinic receptors, and how it block the muscarinic receptor by inhibition of acetylcholine. And to understand this, let's take a look of next slide. We know that this is a central nervous system, and we have vagal afferent, and then we have vagal efferent, and this vagal afferent is actually connected to preganglionic fibers, where it is responsible to secrete the neurotransmitter acetylcholine, and that acetylcholine then act on postganglionic neuron, and then it causes bronchoconstriction. So what muscarinic antagonists do? They block that neurotransmitter acetylcholine, so that to stop the bronchoconstriction and decrease the mucus secretions. Here you can see the airways consist of postganglionic neurons, and you can see that the transmitter acetylcholine is responsible for muscular smooth muscle contraction. And when the drug block at preganglionic fibers to acetylcholine, then that therapy will work. So it has been given by aerosol inhalation, but it could not be diffused with blood. So inhalation in the form of aerosol will be the best choice for drug delivery. It do not enter to the central nervous system, and having the minimum systemic side effects, and their action is delayed, having two type of drugs. One is ipratropium, having short duration of action 3 to 5 hours, whereas tiotropium have long duration of action of 24 hours. So they are short-acting bronchodilators, and they inhibit bronchoconstriction and mucus secretions, but they are less effective than beta-2 agonist, and having no anti-inflammatory action, as they are only used for inhalation. So these are not the first drug of choice for the treatment. Clinical uses: it is main choice for the chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. It is as effective as albuterol, which is selective beta-2 receptors. And the long-acting antimuscarinic agents that has been approved are tiotropium and acladinium, which has been approved for the maintenance of COPD. A single dose of 18 microgram of tiotropium has 24 hours of duration, whereas inhalation of 400 microgram of acladinium has 12 hours of duration. So thank you so much for today's lecture. In the next lecture, we will discuss anti-inflammatory agents such as glucocorticoids, leukotrienes, mast cell stabilizers, and anti-IgE monoclonal antibodies. Thank you so much.